Okay, this is a follow-up video of a video I previously made probably around a year ago, and I recently posted it on YouTube, but it was of the stone mosaic wall, retaining wall, and basically this is the finished product. And as I mentioned in my previous video that I was going to weather it with Indian ink, and basically that is the finished product. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, and again, this area is almost complete. And get a little close up of the wall. Okay, and my previous video, I basically thought I was going to run into a problem, but I decided that I'm going to make a little, I don't know, I'm going to call it like a substation, something just to disguise that turn. And I mentioned that I couldn't bend these sheets of bricks forward, so I guess this is going to be my alternate plan here. And right now I have it set up like that. It's a little bit of a construction site. Okay, as you can see, there's a few bricks missing, and they easily, you cut them and they snap into place. Okay, so that's pretty much what it looks like with a little bit of light weathering. And again, I used the India ink with water in a spray bottle and sprayed it on, and it naturally finds its crevices and cracks. Okay, so again, pretty much the finished product along this wall, and this area eventually will be finished. Okay, thanks for watching.